And finally, only dump is another tool that you can use for process dumping and import table rebuilding. And also you can use Imprec as a standalone tool for process dumping, and it has an excellent import table rebuilding capability. So just a final demo of how to use these tools. I usually just run the sample. So this is the sample running in memory. So everything is decrypted, and then you can use you will not need to trace this particular pack sample because it doesn't do API redirection, which you need not to disable. So this one can easily be dumped by a process dumping. So Imprec, you just select the process, and then right-click and here, and then try advanced commands and get API calls. It will read all the API calls for process rebuilding. And then right-click again, and then select code sections, and then do a full dump. And then the next thing you will do is try to do a fixed dump. So you will be having the result will be an unpacked code with the import table rebuilded. So you will see that API calls are now that the API calls are properly the import table is properly rebuilded so that you can see the API calls there. So the next tool, if I try Imprec and if didn't properly perform a import table dump, I also try using OLEDBG, and then try to attach to the process. And then use only dump. You just dump process. And then you just temporarily set the enter point to like 1000, and then do a dump, so it will automatically rebuild the import table. Then you can just load it in Ada Pro. So any questions? Yes, sir. Excuse me? Mm-hmm. There had been some discussions in reversing forums that you can, for example, there are some packages that if you try to dump them, some parts of the code is still not decrypted. Some reversing forums said that you can try to use create a plugin that will try to execute the instructions so that tries to execute specific instructions so that they will be decrypted, and then tries to dump it one by one. So probably you cannot rebuild it properly. That is the case. So any questions? All right, thank you.